Traditionally, dialog states like greeting, ice cream recommendations, or asking general knowledge questions about bees are based on Markov models. Usually, the model is also supported with a neural network. The problem? There can only be one active state. Have you ever tried asking Siri about ice cream while creating a shopping list for your bee enthusiast meetup? The solution? Ravestate. We have created a reactive dialog system where states have lives of their own, free to react to signals that occur in the agent's context. One state can generate a number of signals, and another state may depend on a combination of them. However, the states have no explicit knowledge of their joint existence. Anyway, we found that this scales really well. With just 7 skills, we are already achieving some very dynamic behavior. And no, this is not a euphemism for bugs. And of course, these skills work well with ROS2, Telegram, Speech, and Terminal IO. Pip install Ravestate, or check out the repo at github.com/roboy/Ravestate.